Ghostkillers, welcome. Hello, Ghostkillers. Welcome back to some more screwing around. Today we are in Little Bit Planet Karting. I just created a level and we're gonna play it. God, I hate pimples. Yay! Yeah, I still got 10 minutes on the record. Oh yeah. Oh, there's actual people. What the heck? So I've forgotten like all of this stuff. It's been so long. Oh my goodness. Oh man. And third. It's pretty good. It's pretty good, man. They see me rolling. Ouch. They hating. Patrolling. Man, I create some good levels. Oh, speed boost. I'm in second. Yeah, rainbow power. I don't like my little pony at all. If you do, then that is okay. I'm just saying I don't. Oh, I'm out. What? Great, now I'm fourth. Fifth. Just great. Now I'm hitting rollers. Up. 6. I need to add like a bunch of weapons. Wee. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, I'm driving like a little balloon buggy. Oh, smack you. Front hand or backhand? My favorite game. Woman, get out of my way. Hold on, when I just want to test it. Yeah, I can see that. I just want to test. Just want to test. Reroll. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of like cannons. I got that one. And I got like a bunch of banks and everything over here. Stickers. Put a beach ball right there. I was gonna put a beach ball like right. Okay, we need more weapons. Dangerous things. Haha, have fun. Gotta make sure at least you get hit at the beginning. If someone gets around it without even getting hit, I will pay them money. What else do they have? Man, fences. This is a fun level, isn't it? Just mines. Oh, you get past. Oh, this is just gonna be an obstacle course. I decided that you gotta get past the mines. Then you got like a wall. This wall is gonna be kind of easy. I decided that. Kind of place it right there. It's a floating wall. And then that does not add up. And then the food. Gotta make like a little entrance over there. to get past that. Then you gotta get past this airboard. What the heck? It's an airboard. Okay, so we added that. Oh, I thought they were gonna be tiny. Hold on, no, I can do this. Dude, this level's gonna be awesome. Oh yeah, by the way, if I seem like sleepy, it's because I only had 2 hours of sleep. For the reasons of, I don't know. So you have to get around these things. What are they called? The cones. Dude, this is like American Ninja Warrior. Oh, there's a ramp? There are ramps? Oh, heck yeah. Then you must get over. I want to like make it where you can like rotate it. Oh, you can. Found it. Okay. It's like right there. You must jump over. I want it to be like a shark or something. Oh no, I know what I can add. Hold on. Look at this. So far we have this monstrosity. Hold on, I want to make like spawns. So you spawn there. Hold on, I want to find out how to do that. Oh yeah, we're not adding checkpoints. Spawn point. This is where everybody is going to spawn. Oh no, what am I doing? Like in the ground. Get another one. Look at that. We got a minefield. And then you're going to have to jump over another minefield. That we're going to have. So if you have a PS3 and you really want to play this level, then I will like add it into the description when I'm done with it. This level might be called like American Ninja Warrior. Because if you pass this, then you are pretty much amazing. Where's the mines at? What? Do I want them to jump over mines? What is that? No. Oh, nails. What? I need to come up with names for like all of these. And boosh. There you go. Oh my god. This has to be like the greatest map ever. Rotate this. Now what do they need to do? They need to get past minecart. A billion of them. Oh, hold on. What is this? Boxing glove. Oh, this can be the knockout. Oh, what, these things actually fly towards people? Oh, dude, they do. Oh, thank you so much for watching Ghost Killers, and subscribe.